Today we are going to be working on some table alignment pins, and we're going to be using part number 950 to give you an idea. And these metal pins are going to insert into these holes and come together and just keep that tabletop completely perfectly level and aligned. I think the quickest, easiest way to do this would be a self-centering doweling jig like this. These obviously are a really precision part. You want these tops to be perfectly lined up, so that means that your holes have to be perfectly centered. Now let me show you the hardware just real quickly and help you to understand those, okay? You're going to get 10 pieces of each, 10 male and 10 female. And all we're drilling for would be the barrel of that. Now my bit, this 5/16 bit, and all I have here is just a stop collar. So all I did was literally run this through and saw what I needed sticking out was the length of this. Let's go ahead and drill the holes that I have not drilled, and I can show you that, and then we'll put the hardware in. And I really don't want to ding these up, so I'm just taking that mound, setting it in there. And with that 5/16 bit, I'm just tapping it in. Now, when I get to what would be considered flush, I'm actually going to go just past that. Why? Because if this shrinks enough, eventually that metal might be sticking out. If the metal is sticking out, then when you get these two halves together, you're going to have a crack there, okay? So, if you take that just below, same thing. A little bit deeper than being flush right there. All right, so our 3 pieces are done, and we want to just kind of set that in there. They are snug. They're not tight, but they are snug. So, thanks for watching, and until next time, take the opportunity to build something beautiful.